settle down, have a slice of pie. I'll stay here by your side. I only wish to see you smile. You're such an interesting child. Now there's no need to fight. Just promise me that you'll never leave. Oh, sweet child, it's so nice to finally meet you. Now welcome to your home. Safe and sound under the ground, they'll never reach you, and you'll never be alone. My only wish is just to reach you. So many stuff facts I could teach you. Stop asking me to leave. Don't run away, just stay inside. Don't live a life of genocide. Can't you just stay with me? Just promise me that you'll never leave. Why can't you see this life was meant to be?